Ever wondered if avocados can actually cause weight gain? It's a question that's been causing quite a stir in the health and wellness world. Avocados, with their creamy texture and rich, buttery flavor, have become a popular choice in many diets. But with popularity comes confusion. There's a swirling debate out there. Do avocados lead to weight gain, or do they help in weight management? This video aims to slice right through the noise and get to the heart of the matter. We're going to dive into the nutritional benefits of avocados and examine their role in weight management. We're not just talking about calories and fats here. We're going to consider the whole package. The fiber, the vitamins, the healthy fats, and how all these components work together in your body. So, are avocados the villain in your weight loss journey, or could they be the unexpected hero? Stay tuned to uncover the truth about avocados and weight gain. Let's delve into what makes an avocado, shall we? Packed with goodness, the avocado is a nutritional powerhouse. It's a fruit, yes, a fruit, not a vegetable, that boasts a unique composition. It's high in healthy fats, unlike most fruits which are typically high in carbohydrates. This healthy fat is primarily monounsaturated fat, specifically oleic acid, which is known for its heart-healthy benefits. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Avocados are also a great source of dietary fiber, which can help you feel fuller longer, aid digestion, and contribute to weight management. In fact, one medium-sized avocado contains around 20% of the recommended daily fiber intake. Now, let's talk vitamins and minerals. Avocados are rich in a variety of essential ones. They're a good source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting. They also provide a good amount of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your body against damage from harmful molecules called free radicals. And let's not forget about vitamin E, another antioxidant that aids in protecting your body's cells from damage. Plus, avocados are high in B vitamins, including folate, which is particularly important for pregnant women as it helps in the development of the baby's brain and spinal cord. But wait, there's more. Avocados also contain a significant amount of potassium, even more than bananas, a fruit often touted for its high potassium content. This mineral is essential for proper heart and muscle function and helps maintain a healthy blood pressure level. And what makes avocados even more remarkable is that they can help increase the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamins A, D, E, and K from other foods when eaten together. So adding a slice of avocado to your salad or sandwich not only adds a creamy, delicious flavor, but also boosts the nutritional value of your meal. With such a nutritional profile, avocados are indeed a power-packed food. But here's the burning question. Do these fatty, calorie-rich avocados cause weight gain? It's a question that has been a hot topic of debate for health enthusiasts and nutritionists alike. The common belief is that due to their high fat and calorie content, avocados can lead to weight gain. But is this really the case? Let's delve a little deeper into this. Avocados, as we know, are rich in fats, but it's important to remember not all fats are created equal. The fats found in avocados are primarily monounsaturated fats, the kind that are actually beneficial for our health. These fats can help to reduce bad cholesterol levels, while also supporting the absorption of other nutrients. They're also a great source of energy, making avocados an excellent food choice for those who lead an active lifestyle. Now let's talk about calories. Yes, avocados are calorie-dense. However, they're also incredibly satiating. This means that while an avocado might be high in calories, it can also help to keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. So, instead of reaching for that bag of chips or that bar of chocolate, you might just find yourself satisfied with an avocado. And in the long run, this could potentially lead to a decrease in overall calorie consumption. But what about weight gain? Well, it's all about balance and portion control. Eating too much of any food, even healthy ones, can lead to weight gain if it results in a calorie surplus. It's not the avocado that's causing the weight gain, it's the overconsumption. So, before we start pointing fingers at avocados, let's consider the bigger picture. It's not just about the calories or the fats, it's about the quality of those calories and fats. It's about how those calories and fats fit into our overall diet and lifestyle. So, it seems the fat in avocados isn't the villain it's often made out to be. Indeed, when consumed as part of a balanced diet, avocados can actually contribute to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Now, let's look at what science says about avocados and weight management. There's a wealth of research out there, and one of the key things it tells us is that avocados can play a significant role in managing our weight. Let's delve into some of the findings, shall we? A study published in the Nutrition Journal found that participants who ate half an avocado with lunch reported a 40% decreased desire to eat over a 3-hour period, and 28% over a 5-hour period compared to their desire to eat after a standard lunch without avocado. This suggests that avocados can enhance feelings of fullness. Now, why is this important? You see, when we feel full, we're less likely to overeat, and when we don't overeat, we're better able to manage our weight. It's as simple as that. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition found that incorporating avocados into meals led to a decrease in the desire to eat and a subsequent reduction in calorie intake. The participants reported feeling more satisfied and had a lower desire to eat after consuming a meal that included avocados. But it doesn't stop there. Avocados are also known to improve diet quality. They're packed with beneficial nutrients like fiber, healthy fats, vitamin C and E, and potassium. Not only do these nutrients support overall health, but they also contribute to a healthier diet. A study in the Journal of the American Heart Association showed that people who consume avocados have healthier diets overall, are less likely to develop metabolic syndrome, and have lower body weight compared to those who don't consume avocados. What we see here is a clear pattern. Avocados help us feel full, reduce our calorie intake, and improve the quality of our diets. They are not just a tasty addition to our meals, but a strategic tool in our weight management arsenal. Clearly, avocados can be a beneficial addition to weight management strategies. So how can you incorporate avocados into your diet for optimal health benefits? Well, the easiest way to start is by adding avocados to your meals. You can slice them up for salads or sandwiches, mash them for a delicious guacamole, or even blend them into smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-packed addition. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be integrated into a variety of dishes across all mealtimes, be it breakfast, lunch, or dinner. However, while it's easy to get excited about the health benefits of avocados, it's important to remember the concept of balance and portion control. Although avocados are high in beneficial fats, they're still fats. And, like with all fats, consumption should be moderate. So, what does that look like in practical terms? A good rule of thumb is to aim for about 1/3 of an avocado per serving. Now, let's discuss how avocados fit into the concept of a balanced diet. A balanced diet is one that provides the body with all the essential nutrients it needs to function correctly. This includes a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, along with vitamins and minerals. Avocados, with their good fats, fiber, and host of vitamins and minerals, can be an excellent component of this balanced diet. They can replace saturated fats in your meals, like the ones you find in meats, full-fat dairy products, and processed foods. By doing so, you're not just adding avocados to your diet, but also making a healthier swap. Another great thing about avocados is that they're a plant-based source of protein. This can be especially beneficial if you're trying to reduce your meat intake or if you're following a vegetarian or vegan diet. In conclusion, incorporating avocados into your diet is not just about eating more avocados, it's about making healthier choices overall. It's about understanding where avocados fit into your diet and how they can contribute to a balanced nutritional intake. Remember, it's all about balance and portion control when it comes to avocados and any food for that matter. So what's the verdict on avocados and weight gain? Let's take a quick recap. Avocados are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and various essential vitamins and minerals. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone seeking to enhance their diet's nutritional value. But what about the myth of avocados and weight gain? Well, it's just that, a myth. While avocados are calorie-dense, they're also highly satiating. This means they can keep you feeling full for longer periods, which can help curb overeating and promote weight management. The science backs this up, too. Numerous studies have shown that incorporating avocados into your diet can support weight management goals. They contribute to a feeling of fullness, help control blood sugar levels, and can even aid in reducing belly fat. Avocados, when consumed in a balanced and controlled manner, can indeed play a beneficial role in weight management, so enjoy this nutritious fruit. But remember, moderation is key.